another update. The old axle is out. The new axle is just sitting in there, but it's centered in the wheel wells. Nothing's welded or bolted. It's just in there for mock-up right now. I'm checking my... It's about perfect right there. Then yeah, it's about perfect right there. It's close. It's really close. I'll be able to tell better once I get the tires mounted. That'll probably be tomorrow or the next day. But now I can start doing my layouts and measuring and see what I got to fab up to get that triangulated 4-link in there. I'm still thinking about a ladder bar though, but that 4-link is better for the street, so I think I'll just do that. But that's where this is at today. That's the update. And the whole like drive shaft, spring, brake rods, all that, clevis pins, all that stuff, all come out in one shot. So it just rolled right off from underneath it, pretty easy. Okay, till next time, short, quick video. That's the update. Till next time.